Yeah, hello, yeah, hello, yeah. So let me show you some easy way to make money with crypto arbitrage using the AI bots. So I'm about to make $30 just right now. Yeah, for you all to see. Yeah, and I'll also withdraw for you all to see as well. Yeah. So this is the crypto AI arbitrage bots. Yeah, so you say just see that if I come down here, you can see that we have exchanges. So I'll take all, and currently I have 1,001.50 in my arbitrage wallet. Yeah, then I will click on execute trade. So it will what? It will connect all the exchanges and start trading for me. And when the trade is done, I'll be earning 15.05 USDT. So the twice trade will give me 30.04 USDT. You see that thing? Yo, so right now I can see that it's doing the initialization. Yeah. So when you get the bot is just $40, and I'll do the setup and everything for you. When you get the bot and you want to start trading, first of all you have to what? First of all deposit in the bot. So when you want to deposit, you just have to what? Copy this BEP20 address. Yeah. Then you go to your crypto wallet, or let's say your exchange, and you deposit the money on this wallet. This one is the BEP20 address. So let's say you deposit $100. So after depositing everything finished, you come here and input $100. And over here, you can input either your BEP20 that you use it to send the money, or your transaction hash over here. Then you click on submit deposit, and it will reflect in your regular wallet. So when it reflects in your regular wallet, before you can trade, you have to transfer the money from regular wallet to what? Arbitrage wallet. Yeah. So when you buy the bot, I will show you how to do all these things. Yeah. So currently you can see that it's doing the initialization. So to connect all the exchanges and search for the opportunity and trade for me. So someone be saying that, so like I didn't connect my API and stuff. This one is a bot. The bot do all the work for you. So the bot already connects to the APIs and everything on the exchanges. So all that you expect is what? Your profit. So someone be saying that, so I'll be getting profit without any losses. Yes, getting profit without any losses. But when you want to stop trading and remove all your capital from the bot, that's where the bot take its share. That's where the bot takes what? Its share. But when you are in the trade, you can enjoy from your profits, your profit. Currently I have 126, right? And I already have 16.5 that I will withdraw. So my arbitrage wallet is for 1,001.5. That one I'm not withdrawing right now. I would enjoy everything from it. You see that thing? So if I want to withdraw all my money in my arbitrage, that's where the bot take its share. But when you're in the trade, that one you'll be enjoying profit from the trade. You see that thing? But if you want to stand up from the trade, that's where the bot takes its share. Just simple as that. Yeah. So you can see that it's what? Doing the preheating. It's doing the preheating right now. Everything is doing the preheating right now. Yeah, just simple. And one thing is that you can close the button and attend to anything that you're doing. And when you open it, you'll be still what? Getting your money. Yeah, that's how it is. So you can see that right now, these are the live activities. So it will be doing the preheating and arbitraging everything. It will be doing everything. Yeah. So when it is done, you will see that your profit has been what? Credited into your regular wallet. Yeah, into your regular wallet. So right now, it's still preheating. Let's wait. Yeah, it's still preheating. Yeah, so it's not preheating. So right now, it's in the final stage. That's what the arbitraging. So here, that means it's our fault. It's have already find the opportunity, and here is in the trading step. So here it will be trading for you. And that's the final part. Yeah. So here it will be trading for you. Just simple life. This one is called easy money. Easy money. Just enjoy whilst the boat do all the works. You see, the boat has already been connected to the APIs in the cloud. You see that thing? So this one, you just be what? Enjoying the trade and enjoying the money. Just watch it and making money. So this one, it will save you from searching opportunities, losing money and stuff. You see that thing? This one will save you from all this kind of stuff. Losing money, searching for opportunities, thinking too much and stuff. You see, yeah, this one, I assure you, you can trade, use it anytime you want as well. Yeah. So right now it's doing the arbitraging. Yeah, so let's wait and see if I'll get the money. Right now I have 126.64 USDT. So let's see if I'll get the 15.002, right? Yeah. And those who are using the boats can testify to it, that they be enjoying the boat as well. And when they do withdrawal come, when they do deposit, everything works perfectly. Yeah. So you can see that the arbitraging is executing what? Buy, sell orders across exchanges. Yeah. So it's doing the buy and sell across the exchanges and credits you your profit. That's another thing. Yeah. It's doing the buy and sell on the exchanges and to credit you your profit, and that's it. Yeah, so it's doing. Yeah, so it's almost done. So when it's done with the arbitraging, then it will go straight to the finalizing, and after that, you are good to enjoy your money. You can withdraw your money anytime, anywhere, any day you want. Yeah. Those who are using the boat, they can testify to it. It's very good, bro. It's very good. No crypto lord, I will not sell any bullshit to you, yeah, and I'll not introduce any bullshit to you, yeah. So right now I can see that it's confirming transactions and calculating profit, yeah. So it's doing the finalizing, yeah, and when it's done with that, you get your money in your crypto, in your regular wallet, and that one you can withdraw. And one thing is, when you're withdrawing money, it's free. When you're withdrawing money, it's free. When you're withdrawing money, it's free. The only time that you pay fee is what? When you're withdrawing all your capital from the arbitrage wallet. That one you pay fee. But aside that, everything on the platform is free. When you're withdrawing your profit, your withdrawal wallet, everything is free. Everything is free. You see? Yeah. So consider confirming transaction and calculating profit is done. So you can see that trade completed, 15.05 credited into a regular wallet. You can see that right now I have 141 right now. And if I come down here, you see that I have 141 right now. You see that in time credited to me. So I have one trade left, and I'll trade it later. Yeah, I have one trade left, but I wanted you to see how this one is very good. And if I want to withdraw my money, I can withdraw my money anytime that I want. I can withdraw my money anytime I want. Yeah. So right now you can see that you can only withdraw money from the withdrawer this thing. Yeah, you can say that the withdrawal I have 16.50, but if I want to transfer regular wallet to withdrawal, it's possible. You can transfer the money from like regular wallet to what, to withdrawal wallet, to withdrawal wallet. You see that thing, and it's free. Yeah. And if I want to withdraw, this is my withdrawal this thing. So the 16, they will charge you just $1 as network fee. That one is normal on the exchanges network fee. Yeah. And after that, you enjoy your money. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord. And if you need the boats, just chat me. The boat is just $40, and I'll show you everything that you need to do. Yeah, I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.